Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to close your Coinbase account. Closing your Coinbase account involves permanently deleting it and requires a few steps. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and then type in coinbase.com in the URL box and sign into your account. After you're signed into your main home page for Coinbase, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Once you open up the Settings menu, click on Go to Accounts. Now, this will open up the Profile section. Scroll all the way down and get to this Close Account option. Closing your account means you will no longer be able to access its features like buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrencies. It also means you won't be able to use your Coinbase wallet connected to this particular account after the account closure. Also make sure that your Coinbase account has zero balance in it, and after you are done with it, click on the Close Account button and follow the prompts. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your Coinbase account's password. Type in your password correct and click Close Account. Coinbase will ask you to confirm your decision and might request a reason why you are closing your account. Follow through the instructions and you will be able to close your Coinbase account in no time. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.